Hello, my friends. Thanks for joining me. I have finally finished my Annie's Elephants junk journal that I created. And actually, we can't really call this a junk journal. We will call this a handmade journal. It doesn't have any junk in it. Well, this actually, I just lied. This little elephant was a piece that was given to me. And actually, the cover of the journal was fabric that was given to me. But pretty much, I think almost everything else in the journal is new. There might be a few items here and there. So it doesn't really classify as a junk journal. However, it does classify as an adorable handmade journal. So as many of you know, I created a digital kit. It's the second one that I've made. I named it Annie's Elephants because my friend Annie of Annie Creates loves elephants. And I was actually working on another kit and saw these images, and I thought, oh my goodness, I need to use these and create a kit for my friend, and name it after my friend Annie. So that's how this particular digital kit came to be, and it's super adorable. This journal is a little bit smaller than most of the journals that I make. It is available in my Etsy shop, and in my Etsy shop description, I will put the measurements and all of that good stuff. I printed the journal pages out a little bit smaller than what they would normally print out as, and that's something that you can do with a digital kit if you're not familiar with them. I did, however, print the ephemera pages out at the normal size. I am new at making digital kits, so if you happen to purchase one of mine and you're working with it, feel free to give me suggestions. Do you want more pages? Is it too much ephemera? Is it not enough ephemera? Is the ephemera too big? Would you like to see other things that maybe I didn't think about? Always please let me know, because if I take the time to create the kits, I really want them to be great, and I won't know if they're great unless you guys tell me that, or if they're lacking in something. So this kit was created for card makers also. So junk journalists can use it, or card makers can use it. I love this page. Look at that sweet mouse. Speaking of a mouse, I'm definitely going to make a little mouse kit because my daughter Amanda has a pet mouse, and his name is Sid, and I love him so much, and he's just so adorable. I think this watermelon page is so cute. We've got our little elephant, and he's munching on some watermelon, and if you look on the page at the bottom, near, kind of towards the right, you'll see that little red piece of watermelon, and that used to be one of my daughter's earrings. In this journal, you will see, obviously, the kit pages. I have a couple of doilies in there. I have some papers that I picked up from the thrift store. About 90% of this journal is from the kit, though, so it's a very good representation of what you would find in it. This is a one signature journal. And for the center, you know how sometimes we put beads on our wax thread, I kept it very simple and just put 2 beads there. I wanted to mention also that I think this would make an adorable scrapbook if you had a daughter or a granddaughter. You will notice as I'm flipping through, I have added some lace and trims to the pages, and I've also added some small bead dangles. Friends, I had so much fun making this journal. It was just so fun and so sweet. I wanted it to be pretty. I wanted it to have some whimsy to it, and I think I accomplished that. I also love the cover. It's very soft and just delightful. I actually made that with 3 layers of fabric, and I'm thrilled with how that turned out. It is available in my Etsy shop if you are interested in it, as well as my kit. Thanks for watching. See you soon.